The Custom Keto Diet. Are you ready to discover the secret to achieving your weight loss goals while enjoying delicious meals? Look no further than the Custom Keto Diet. Our personalized meal plans are tailored to your unique needs, making it easy to follow the popular and effective ketogenic diet. Say goodbye to restrictive diets and hello to a sustainable lifestyle change. Start your journey to a healthier you with the Custom Keto Diet today. Before buying a custom keto diet, there is some info you need to know about it. There is only one official website authorized to sell custom keto diet. Buying from any other website may lead to regrets and potential issues. To assist you, I have provided the official link in the description of this video. Simply click the link below to be redirected to the official website of Custom Keto Diet. So, what is Custom Keto Diet? Savoring mouth-watering meals that are specifically designed to help you lose weight. Sounds too good to be true, right? But with the Custom Keto Diet, it's a reality. This personalized program takes into account your unique body type, preferences, and goals to create a tailored meal plan just for you. Just take a look at these incredible transformations. The Custom Keto Diet has helped countless individuals shed unwanted pounds and achieve the body they've always dreamed of. And the best part? It's not a one-size-fits-all approach. This program is designed to adapt and evolve with you, ensuring you continue to see results throughout your journey. Nutritionist, the Custom Keto Diet is more than just a diet plan, it's a lifestyle change. By following a low-carb, high-fat diet, your body enters a state of ketosis, where it burns fat for fuel instead of carbs. This metabolic shift not only leads to weight loss but also improves mental clarity, boosts energy levels, and even promotes better sleep. And let's not forget about the food. The Custom Keto Diet offers a wide range of delicious recipes that will keep your taste buds satisfied. From mouth-watering bacon-wrapped chicken to creamy avocado salads, you'll never feel like you're missing out. Say goodbye to bland and boring diets and say hello to a whole new world of culinary delights. Debbie Jen, I've tried so many diets in the past, but the Custom Keto Diet is truly a game changer. Not only have I lost weight, but I feel more energized and confident than ever before. It's incredible how a personalized approach can make such a difference in achieving my goals. So, if you're tired of struggling with generic diets that never seem to work, it's time to try something different. The Custom Keto Diet is your ticket to a healthier, happier you. Don't wait any longer, take the first step towards your transformation today. And it's not just about the food. The Custom Keto Diet encourages a well-rounded approach to health. Incorporating exercise and staying active is a vital part of the program. Whether it's going for a walk, hitting the gym, or trying out a new fitness class, you'll discover a newfound love for physical activity. We reached out to some individuals who have successfully completed the Custom Keto Diet, and their stories are truly inspiring. They have not only achieved their weight loss goals, but also experienced a positive impact on their overall well-being. From increased confidence to improved mental clarity, this program has changed their lives for the better. So, are you ready to embark on a transformative journey? The Custom Keto Diet is waiting for you, ready to help you achieve your weight loss goals and embrace a healthier lifestyle. Say goodbye to fad diets and hello to a sustainable approach that prioritizes your unique needs. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave them in the comments section below, and don't forget to visit the official website link in the description. Thanks for watching.